Deep cleaning on Dell Latitude E7250 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Clarice, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Opting for a deep cleaning service for your laptop is a wise and proactive decision that ensures its performance, longevity, and reliability. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside your laptop, especially in critical areas such as the cooling system, fans, and vents. This buildup can lead to overheating, reduced efficiency, noisy operation, and even potential hardware damage if not addressed promptly. Deep cleaning offers several essential benefits that make it a valuable part of laptop maintenance. By removing accumulated dust and debris, it restores optimal airflow and cooling efficiency, preventing overheating and ensuring that internal components, such as the processor and graphics card, operate within safe temperature ranges. This not only enhances the laptop's performance during intensive tasks like gaming, video editing, or multitasking, but also protects the internal hardware from heat-related wear and tear. In addition to improving performance, deep cleaning significantly extends the lifespan of your laptop. Dust-clogged components, such as fans and heat sinks, can lead to thermal throttling, where the device automatically reduces its speed to avoid overheating. Over time, this strain can cause permanent damage to internal parts, resulting in costly repairs or the need for a premature replacement. Regular deep cleaning mitigates these risks, helping your laptop remain reliable and functional for years. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.